In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp web loading your chats. If WhatsApp web is stuck on loading your chats, it usually comes down to cached files that won't refresh or a connection hiccup between your browser and your phone. We'll walk through a clear sequence of fixes, starting with the quickest and moving to deeper resets so you can get back to your messages fast. First, try a hard reload of the page to bypass your browser's cache. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to fetch fresh files from WhatsApp's servers instead of reusing anything stale. Give it a few moments to reload and see if the spinner clears. If it's still stuck, clear the site-specific data for web.whatsapp.com in your browser settings. Look for options like cookies and site data or site settings, then remove data just for this site. This resets session tokens and local storage that can get corrupted without wiping your entire browsing history. Don't worry, your chats live on your phone, so clearing site data won't delete your messages. Next, rule out browser extensions. Open WhatsApp web in an incognito or private window. Most extensions are disabled there by default. If it loads normally in private mode, that's a strong sign an extension is interfering with WhatsApp's scripts. Extensions that block ads, scripts, or track cookies are common culprits. Make sure both your computer and your phone have a stable internet connection. WhatsApp web mirrors your phone, so if your phone's connection drops, your browser will hang on loading. Temporarily turn off any VPN or proxy on your computer and phone while testing, as these can block or slow the connection to WhatsApp servers. Check that you're running the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Outdated browsers can introduce compatibility issues with modern web apps. Update to the newest version and relaunch the browser to apply changes. If the problem persists, log out of WhatsApp web from the Settings menu. This clears the current web session and forces a clean handshake the next time you sign in. Finally, log back in and test it. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Linked Devices section, and scan the QR code shown in your browser. Once linked, your chats should load smoothly. Work through these fixes in order, and in most cases, the issue disappears by the time you refresh, clear site data, or eliminate extension conflicts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get WhatsApp web back on track.